Hey friends, if you wish to remove recently visited site shortcut icon from Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. Whenever we open Firefox and open a new tab, you'll see a lot of websites here. These are the recently visited ones. To remove them, simply click on this gear-like symbol here and uncheck the option for shortcuts. But here's one more interesting thing. You can actually increase the number of rows and see more of the options that you have visited, or keep it at one row. Okay. And there are also few sponsored shortcuts like this Google one. You can remove this if you wanted to. Okay. And the other method is through settings, obviously. Click on the hamburger symbol, select settings, go to the home page, scroll down and uncheck shortcuts. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.